Welcome to the best picks. The best laundry chute kits is probably one of the most convenient home upgrades you can make. Imagine effortlessly sending your dirty laundry from any floor directly to your laundry room. In this video, we'll dive into the world of laundry chute kits, exploring their benefits, different types, and what to consider before making a purchase, so you can transform your chore day. Number 5. Pro Chutes T-Handle and Latch Kit. Introducing the Pro Chutes T-Handle and Latch Kit. This kit is designed for both trash and laundry chute doors. It's a reliable solution for your needs. The kit includes a chrome T-handle with a V-spindle, 2 keys, a latch with a spring and trigger, and bonus screws. You'll receive everything you see in the photos, ensuring you have all the necessary components. This kit fits 95% of chute doors in the industry, including various brands. It's compatible with a wide range of chute systems, making it a versatile choice for many users. The Pro Chutes kit meets NFPA requirements and is construction grade. This ensures that it meets the necessary safety and quality standards for your peace of mind. Pro Chutes offers a 3-month guarantee. If you're not satisfied, you can return it. Contact us directly through Amazon if it's past the return window. What we like. This kit is built with durable steel, ensuring longevity and reliability. It's also designed for wide compatibility, fitting most chute doors in the industry. If you're looking for a straightforward, easy-to-install solution that offers peace of mind, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The laundry chute kit was easy to install. The product is well designed and functions as expected. The kit included all the necessary components. Number 4. Oswald Supply Stainless Steel Trash Chute Door. Introducing the Oswald Supply Stainless Steel Trash Chute Door. This door is designed for durability and safety, making it a great choice for any building. Installation is a breeze, taking less than an hour. It's designed to fit most trash chutes, including many popular brands. Made with number 4 stainless steel type 302, this door is built to last. The 16-gauge frame and 18-gauge trim add to its strength and durability. This door is fire-rated and UL approved, meeting the latest building codes. It can withstand high temperatures for added safety. The self-closing mechanism ensures quiet and reliable operation. The automatic door closer hydraulic piston provides smooth and consistent closing. When choosing the right size, measure the wall opening, not the door panel. This door is 15 inches wide and 18 inches high. What we like. This door is crafted from stainless steel, promising both durability and a sleek look. It's also fire-rated and UL approved, meeting the latest building codes. If you prioritize safety and a modern aesthetic, this door is an excellent option. What people say. These doors, unlike our old flimsy models, are definitely solid, close properly, and look so much better. Handyman removed the old trash chute and installed this one in less than an hour. After installation it looked great and works perfectly. Number 3. Oswald Stainless Steel ADA Trash Chute Door. Introducing the Oswald Stainless Steel ADA Compliant Trash Chute Door. This door is designed for convenience and safety, making waste disposal easier. Installation is a breeze, taking less than an hour. It fits most trash chutes, including various brands. You can quickly upgrade your waste management system. The door is built to last with number 4 stainless steel. The 16-gauge frame and 18-gauge trim ensure increased strength and durability. It's a reliable solution for your needs. Safety is a priority. This door is fire-rated and UL approved, complying with national building codes. It can withstand high temperatures, providing peace of mind. It features an ADA-compliant chrome L handle with lock. This design ensures ease of use for everyone. The door is user-friendly and accessible. The door is self-closing with an automatic door closer. This feature ensures quiet and efficient operation. It's a practical and convenient addition to any building. What we like. This door is ADA-compliant, featuring a chrome handle with a lock. It's also made of stainless steel and self-closing. If you need a compliant and secure solution, especially in public or multi-unit buildings, this is the one to consider. What people say. The laundry chute kit was easy to install. The product is well designed and functions as expected. The chute is made of durable materials. Number 2. Oswald supplies stainless steel trash chute door, 12x15. Introducing the Oswald Supply stainless steel trash chute door. This is designed for laundry or garbage disposal. It's a reliable solution for your needs. Installation is a breeze. It takes less than an hour to install this. You'll have it up and running quickly. The sleeve is made with number 4 stainless steel type 302. This ensures increased strength and durability. It's built to last. This product offers a universal fit. It's compatible with most trash chutes. It is a versatile choice. Wall sleeves are designed for new installations. Please refer to the spec sheet for sizing details. Make sure it fits your requirements. What we like. This wall sleeve is made of stainless steel for increased strength and durability. It offers a universal fit, making installation easier. If you're working on a new installation and need a reliable, easy-to-install solution, this sleeve is a great choice. What people say. The Laundry Chute Kit was easy to install. The kit included everything I needed. The chute is well designed and functions perfectly. Number 1. New 7x10 laundry chute door, also 9x12. Introducing a new laundry solution. This door is designed for easy access to your laundry chute. It's a convenient addition to any home. This laundry chute door comes in 2 sizes. You can choose between the 7x10 and the 9x12 options. Make sure to check the description for overall size details. The door is finished in a clean white color. This allows it to blend seamlessly with your existing decor. It's a simple yet effective design. Please review the description for important sizing information. It's crucial to ensure a proper fit for your wall opening. This will help you avoid any installation issues. The door is designed for easy installation. It's a straightforward process that most homeowners can handle. You'll have it up and running in no time. What we like. This door comes in a clean white color, offering a fresh look. It's designed for easy installation and is available in multiple sizes. If you're looking for a simple, color-coordinated solution for your laundry chute, consider this one. What people say. The Laundry Chute Kit was easy to install. The product is well designed and functions as expected. The chute is made of durable materials. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.